Whose idea was the surprise?
It was the children's idea.
Are you excited about the surprise?
Yes, we are very excited.
What kind of cake are you planning to make?
We're thinking of a chocolate cake, Mom's favorite.
Who is helping with the cake?
The son and daughter are helping.
What day is it today?
It's Valentine's Day.
Is Mom expecting the surprise?
No, she has no idea.
What ingredients do you need?
We need flour, sugar, eggs, butter, and cocoa powder.
Who is mixing the batter?
The son is mixing the batter.
What decorations are you planning?
We'll use frosting and some colorful sprinkles.
Is the cake baking yet?
Yes, it's in the oven now.
How long will it take to bake?
It should take about 45 minutes.
What does Mom usually do on Valentine's Day?
She usually spends time with the family.
Is the kitchen messy?
A little bit, but it's worth it.
Who will clean up afterwards?
We will all help clean up.
Are you making any cards for Mom?
Yes, we made some handmade cards.
What is the theme of the decorations?
The theme is hearts and flowers.
Does Mom like surprises?
Yes, she loves surprises.
What time will you surprise her?
We'll surprise her after dinner.
Is the cake big enough for everyone?
Yes, it's a large cake.
Who bought the ingredients?
Dad bought the ingredients.
Are you making a card for Dad too?
No, just for Mom this time.
What do you want to write on the card?
We want to write Happy Valentine's Day, Mom.
Is the cake smelling good?
Yes, it smells delicious.
Are you making any other treats?
We might make some cookies too.
Who will present the cake to Mom?
The son and daughter will present it.
What is Mom's favorite flavor?
Chocolate is her favorite.
Is the cake for the whole family?
Yes, it's for everyone to share.
Are you making a special dinner too?
We are planning a special dinner.
What time will Mom be home?
She should be home around 6 p.m.
Is the cake decorated yet?
Not yet. We are waiting for it to cool.
Who is the best cook in the family?
Mom is the best cook.
What does Mom like about Valentine's Day?
She likes spending time together.
Are you planning any gifts?
We have some small gifts as well.
Did Dad know about the surprise?
Yes, Dad was helping too.
How are you keeping it a secret?
We are being very careful.
What kind of frosting are you using?
We're using vanilla frosting.
Is the cake for a special occasion?
It's for Valentine's Day.
Are there any candles?
Yes, we have some heart-shaped candles.
What is Mom's favorite flower?
Roses are her favorite.
How will you present the gifts?
We'll give them to her with the cake.
Is it the first time you do this?
Yes, it's a first-time surprise.
Are you nervous?
A little bit, but mostly excited.
What is Mom's favorite color?
Pink and red are her favorites.
Will you sing a song?
We might sing Happy Valentine's Day.
Is Dad helping with the cleaning?
Yes, he will help clean up too.
What time will the surprise happen?
Right after dinner.
Are you sure Mom will like it?
Yes, we are sure she'll love it.
How do you feel about the surprise?
We feel happy and excited. Are there any particular sights or experiences you're most excited about?
We're really looking forward to the mountain views and trying some local cuisine.
How do you plan to get around once you reach the mountains?
We'll probably use public transportation or perhaps rent a car for more flexibility.
Is there any particular type of accommodation you're looking for?
We're considering staying in a cozy cabin or a small hotel.
Are you planning to do any shopping during your trip?
Yes, I'd like to browse some local markets.
Is there any particular time of year you recommend for this trip?
I think autumn is best for the views and weather.
Are you planning to do any specific train routes?
Yes, I'm looking into some panoramic routes.
Is there anything particular you're concerned about regarding the trip?
Just making sure we have all the bookings in order.
Will you be needing any special equipment for your trip?
We'll need some good hiking boots and warm clothes.
Are you planning to book your train tickets in advance?
Yes, it's usually better to book early.
Is there anything particular you're concerned about with the train travel?
Just making sure the schedule works for us.
Are you planning to visit any specific towns or villages?
We have a few in mind, but we're open to suggestions.
Is there anything particular you're looking for in a travel package?
We're looking for a good balance of activities and free time.
Are you planning to do any sightseeing in the cities you pass through?
We might do a short stopover.
Is there any particular type of local food you want to try?
I'm hoping to try some traditional mountain dishes.
Are you planning to take a lot of photos?
Definitely, the scenery will be beautiful.
Is there anything particular you need to pack for the climate?
I'll need warm clothes as it can get cold in the mountains.
Are you planning to do any souvenir shopping?
Yes, I'd like to bring back some mementos.
Is there any particular time of day you prefer for train travel?
I prefer morning trains for the views.
Are you planning to do any special dining experiences?
We might try a nice restaurant in the mountains.
Is there any particular thing you're looking for in a travel guide?
Something comprehensive with details on attractions.
Are you planning to do any strenuous hikes?
No, moderate hikes at most.
Is there anything particular you're excited about regarding the mountain views?
The panoramic vistas are what I'm most excited about.
Are you planning to take a lot of photos of the scenery?
Yes, I'll be taking plenty.
Is there anything particular you want to remember from the trip?
The overall experience and the memories.
Are you planning to do any specific activities in the evenings?
We might explore the local nightlife or just relax.
Have you considered getting travel insurance for this trip?
Yes, we'll definitely get a good plan to cover any unexpected medical or travel issues.
Are you taking any precautions for altitude sickness?
We plan to stay hydrated and spend the first day or two at lower elevations to acclimate.
Will you be carrying a basic first aid kit or specific medications?
Definitely. We'll pack painkillers, bandages, and any personal prescriptions we might need.
Do you plan on taking any cable car or gondola rides to the summits?
Yes, that's a must. It's the best way to get those high-altitude views without a grueling climb.
Have you set a specific budget for the entire trip?
We have a rough estimate, but we're leaving some extra room for spontaneous meals and souvenirs.
Are you trying to learn any of the local language before you go?
I'm learning a few basic phrases and greetings to make interacting with locals a bit smoother.
Do you plan to visit any historical sites or castles in the region?
If we go to the Alps, we definitely want to check out some of the old medieval castles nearby.
Are there any group activities you all want to do together?
We're thinking about a group bonfire night or perhaps a guided stargazing tour.
Will you be posting updates on social media during the trip?
I'll probably share a few highlights, but I mostly want to stay present and enjoy the nature.
Are you interested in seeing any local wildlife?
I'd love to see some mountain goats or eagles, provided we can keep a safe distance.
Are you bringing any special camera gear or perhaps a drone?
I'm bringing my DSLR, but I'll have to check the local regulations before flying a drone.
Do you have a plan B in case the weather turns bad?
If it rains, we'll pivot to visiting local museums, indoor spas, or cozying up in a cafe.
Are you looking for any local festivals or fairs during your visit?
If there's a local harvest festival in autumn, we'd love to experience that culture.
Do you have plans for stargazing at night?
Absolutely. The sky is so much clearer in the mountains away from city lights.
Are you interested in any adventure sports like paragliding?
If we're feeling brave and the weather is perfect, we might give it a try.
What is the first thing you'll do once you get back home?
Probably sort through all the photos and maybe make a small video or photo album.